Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, and today I have another how-to or installation video. It's about warning lights for your Ryker. I mean, I have commented on it so many times. Your Rykers are not coming with warning lights, or basically with the button for warning lights. It's super stupid, it's tight ass, it's I don't know, but MartinTheVlogger.com/shop has the solution. It's a OEM looking solution because most of it's OEM. Good. We have topped it up with one tool that you may need or might not, so it's up to you. It's expensive as cocaine. It's something like 20 euros. I think I'm making like €1 per one item, but it's more a help for you. And you will find out in today's video if you really need it. We will apply 2022 rules for all of my videos. No bullshit around, straight to the point, and 2, no video ads. How cool is that? Only thing I'm asking, hit the like, comment that you like what I do or you hate, and go to the MartinTheVlogger.com, and there is a register button. Become a member, because I have the largest vlog about Can-Am Spyder and Ryker aftermarket parts and videos, and I'm not spamming people, but from time to time you can get some freebies. Now, enough of this. Let's get started. First thing what we will need to do, we will need to remove this left side panel because there are those electric plugs that we will need to get to. The top panel under the dashboard, it's your call. I will remove it because I will have more installations on this bike, but it's your call in case you would like to remove it or not. It can be a little bit pain in the ass to put it back. For the pin removals, I'm using this professional tool, kind of. And of course, you can get it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And my tip here is buy these plastic pins as well, because they have tendency, you know, to be lost for whatever reason. And 2, I'm not saying they will fade away because it's stupid, but they will like kind of break and stuff like that. So it's good to have them. And this tool, in many cases, it can help you so you will not scratch your quite expensive plastics. By the way, have I told you that in case you're buying something from BRP, you will in most cases not get the manual? The reason for that is because BRP wants you to get to their service centers and to make extra money from you. Yeah, so I'm your installation guy. How cool is that? All right, now, this is your warning button, and it goes directly on your handguards, just like this. Whoever doesn't have handguards, don't worry, because there is actually a back part. So without handguards, you will just create something like what it is, like ring on your handlebars, or rails. So that's fine. Now, we will need to get to this pin console or whatever it is. And there are 2 plastic cut pins, and those we will need to remove. I will show it to you later. And basically what you will need to do now, there are 2 ways. More kind of a more precise way is that you should open this rubber thing that you know, carries over the cables, and you should put those cables inside. That's how we're gonna do it. The other option is just, you know, put those cables alongside of it. It's also fine, don't worry that much. Now, just do it. All right, so we have hidden the cables basically inside of this, let's say, tube or whatever. The size is just perfect, so the length, it's perfect. Now, as I told you, we are searching for these 2 pins, and basically you need to unplug this whole set of cables. How to do it? You need to pull out this red button. It can go quite hard, and now alright, in order to remove the pin, you need to basically get something in here, like a small screwdriver, and just slightly twist it. Don't damage anything, of course, I don't have to tell you that. Alright, we are getting to this Molex item, or let's say needle or whatever it is. So it's gonna be your call if you need it or not, I don't care. Okay, what you need to do now is you will need to, and have a look how, you know, how this white part is at the moment. Take the same screwdriver as you have used before and put it into this square on top or on the bottom, and pull it a little. Not much, just a little, just like this. Yeah, that's all fine. So once you have it like this, you kind of release the cables. Okay, don't forget to do it as I did a couple of minutes ago, because those plastic things will not come off. Now I will take the Molex tool, and what you need to do, you need to put it into the round hole that is under the square. So put it in. It will release the plastic button or plastic pin. Okay, I was planning to, you know, take out the pin for about 3 minutes or something, and as I said, you need to put this in, you know, play a little. Once you hear something like click, you pull it out, and once it's out, don't you know, be worried to pull it slightly and rotate it a little bit and just pull it out. That's all fine. And do you need this or not last time? It's really your call. I cannot imagine myself doing this with a needle because it will be painful, but you know, you can try. Now, as for these cables, it's absolutely, it doesn't matter which cable you put to the left or right side. It doesn't matter at all. All you have to basically remember is to put it in the way that this side it's facing, you know, how to say it, like there is a hole on this side, there is like a roof on this side, it's flat, so the flat goes from outside and go all the way until you hear click. Once you hear click, just push it, and we are back to basically stock conditions. Put it inside. Secure it and test it. Good. So guys, this is pretty much it. One important note. It's something like a live cable, so in case you will leave it like this, you can run out of your battery. On the other side, it's good because you don't have to have your engine on in order to have the lights or warning lights on. Of course, they work in the front. Hopefully, I don't have to show it to you that they work at the back. So that's a great thing. In case you want them, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. I ship worldwide. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. And remember, always have fun. And visit and subscribe to MartinTheVlogger.com.